Look, are you okay?
She's wasted, mate.
I'm not. I'm not. So joke's on you, mate.
All right, prove it. Walk in a straight line across the room.
Okay.
Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. No,
No, don't look. Wow, I don't know, she got in such a state.
Do you want me to call someone? Your stepmom?
No, Sharon.
Don't worry, Lou. Calm down, yeah?
Look at her. She needs help.
Yeah, and she's got us. We'll look after her. Come in, then.
Get up, Lou.
Oh, she just chopped up again.
Again? Lou, you're right.
Oh, gross, it stinks.
Oi, she's on a mission.
Where you going? The party's cooking.
Lightweight.
I can't even walk.
This is going straight on line.
There's blood. She's coughing up blood. Someone do something. She ain't alright. Get up, Lou.
Come on, Lou, we can see up your skirt.
You're all right.
She's fine. Lou, you're fine. Lou.
It's up, Louise.
Louise. How long has she been like this for? How long? Don't know, half an hour? All right. Call an ambulance. Now, Travis! It's okay. Louise, you're gonna be fine. It's okay.